Hey guys, today I will be sharing with you a fun, loving, easy Thanksgiving appetizer, right? And this one is honey barbecue bacon wings. And this is really simple yet easy and so delicious. All you need to serve these with are some napkins, right? So here's my chicken wings. I go ahead and I clean up and I pat dry with your paper towel. And what we are going to do now, we're going to just separate these chicken wings by cutting them into 3 pieces, right? So here we go. We're going to just cut in the joint, find the joint. You're going to cut in the joint. And then we're going to separate this little piece here. I don't know if it's a wingette you call it or what. We're going to separate it. There you will be left with that piece and this looking leg size piece like, right? And that's the part that my son loves. That part. So here we go. So this is it now, guys. So what we are going to do, we're going to proceed to season these chicken wings. You can discard these, or you may find use for them. You can probably make in some broth and you use them to make the broth, or you can just throw them away. Alrighty, so let's get into the seasoning process. So we want to start off with a little soy sauce. And we're going to just massage that in properly with both hands, or if you're comfortable using one. Want to give that a good massage. Alrighty, next we're going to just add some paprika. We're gonna add a little paprika as well. And we're gonna add some salt. And we want to kick the spice up a bit. We're gonna add a bit of cayenne pepper. And that's optional, you can skip. Then we're gonna add some onion powder. So that's our garlic powder. Then we're gonna go in and add some, oh, that's our onion powder. Then we're gonna add some garlic powder as well. Alrighty. And I'm gonna dash a bit of my favorite season all over. Then we're gonna go in and give that a good massage, a good rub-a-dub-dub. Whether you prefer to use both hands or just your one hand, it is up to you. And I'm using a spoon here and it has a season on it, so I'm going to just wipe it right off. I'm not going to waste my season. Right, so we want to massage that properly. And we are making honey barbecue bacon wings, and these are all appetizers, guys. So that is our wings after we have finished seasoning it. So I'm going over to my pan that I'm going to bake the chicken in. So I'm adding some olive oil. I'm using some olive oil, some virgin olive oil, and I'm going to just double that all over to prevent the chicken from sticking. So whatever you're using, your baking pan, your baking tin, whatever it is, you're going to want to just baste the bottom. And that will prevent your wings from sticking in the bottom. Alright, so this is it. So we're going to just go right over now, and we're going to, so this is my bacon. And I've cut them up in strips. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a piece of the chicken wing, and I'm going to just wrap this all around. We're going to just wrap it, and then we're going to just add it to the pan right there. So we want to just wrap, and we're going to do each and every one. We're going to just wrap them and then just add them to the pan. So you need to cut your bacon into some strips, and you want to wrap and add it to your baking pan. And we're going to do each and every one of this until it is finished. We're going to just wrap for this bacon to infuse all of that whole of bacon, right? Yes guys, so this is it now. So our next move now is to get these under the oven, right? So we are going right over to the oven, so come along. So all right now guys, while our wing is getting looked after under the stove are going to take care of the wing, we are going to go right ahead and make our barbecue sauce. So I'm going to use some ketchup, right, in with some honey as well. We're adding some honey. This is the real Jamaican honey, guys. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add some vinegar, and let me be specific, I'm using some white vinegar here. Right, we're gonna store that. So I'm also going to add a little smoked barbecue sauce just to kick things up a bit. Alrighty, we're gonna give that a good stir, and then we're going right over to the stove. We're going to bring this to a boil and allow to simmer. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add some season to it as well. So let me just go over to the stove with this for now. So come along. Alright, so I'm going to just give this a good mix. I'm also going to add molasses as well. Right, about a quarter teaspoon. I'll list everything for you guys. I'll list it in the description box for you, because I need you to go ahead and make this Thanksgiving appetizer. Alrighty, so that's about that. We're gonna give this a good mix, a good stir. We want to bring this to a boil and allow to thicken. Adding some garlic powder there. I'm gonna add a bit of cayenne pepper as well. I'm gonna add a bit of salt. then I'm gonna add a bit of onion powder as well. I'm gonna add me a little paprika as well, but let me just give this a good stir. And you want to mix that out properly, evenly. So we're gonna add a bit of paprika there as well, and we're going to mix this properly. We want to ensure that this is mixed out properly, evenly, and we're going to allow to boil and to get thick. So you want to turn your heat down. You don't want to have your heat high. You need to turn it on low. So after 20 minutes, this is what our barbecue sauce look like. And this is thickened to how I want it. This is it. So we're gonna add this because our wings is halfway there. So we're gonna just add this to our wings. So let's go to the oven. So that is our wings with the barbecue. Alright guys, so if you notice, we have a lot of oil there in our pan. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just drain this oil off. So this is it. And what we're gonna do next, we're gonna just add our sauce. And we want to make sure that we coat each and every one. So we're gonna coat on top, then we're gonna flip over and coat the other side. And we're gonna do this for each and every one. So this is it guys, after we have coated our wings, and we're going right back under the oven with this. Alrighty, so come along. And please remember to put a water bed under the oven so that your wings don't dry out. Whenever time you are baking anything, you have to put a water bed. Alright? Alright guys, so we are about to remove. Wow. Ooh. So these are ready. I'm about to share this now guys. And my son, they will give you the 411 on them. So these are lovely Thanksgiving appetizer. I'm gonna make sure that I write you the recipe because I need you to go ahead and make your own. And tell me in the comment. You see the bacon sticking onto my tongue? Yeah, the bacon is there. That's it. So all you need is your hand towel. Make sure you don't bite your finger. With these appetizers, they are so lovely. I can assure you that much. So this is a piece of bacon that just came off. So I'll just put that back on and I'll just proceed to add some more to the plate. Alrighty. So let me call them now guys and let them dive into this. Give you the 411 and yeah. Ooh. And that's, there goes the bacon. There goes the bacon. It's hot. All you need is some napkin, guys. Now what it, man, in a hot. Not mercy, God.
Tender. Meat is a fall off my bone.
Juicy or dried out? What you say, Jay?
It's alright.
Tender.
Yeah, tender. They don't dry out and they don't particularly juicy.
Okay.
The meat is a fall off my bone.
So them two and yam off everything, guys. Me probably only taste one piece or probably none. I don't know. Probably I could taste one piece. Yeah, man, so this is it. I will write you the recipe. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe for more appetizer, for more Thanksgiving appetizer. Bye.